If you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. This guide will help you identify potential causes and solutions to improve stability. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. If your hardware is below the required specifications, consider upgrading components like RAM, GPU, or CPU. Step 2. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. This can resolve compatibility issues that may cause crashes. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing through a platform like Steam, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help stabilize the game. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game to reduce the load on your system. Start with settings like resolution, texture quality, and shadows. Gradually adjust these settings to find a balance between performance and visual quality. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may consume system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming software, and other games. Freeing up resources can help improve game performance and reduce crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your gaming experience and reduce the likelihood of crashes in Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your adventure in the Forgotten Realms.